Today, T takes on car detailing with Chemical Guys' VSS and Blacklight and finishing it with Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic wax. Alright, and here's my Honda Accord. I watched it earlier this morning with some clean slate and clay barred it as well, as it's been detailed in just a little over a year. If you want to check out that video, please check out the link in the corner. Let's come over here. Paint has held up pretty well. I don't know if you can see some of these micro scratches in here. If you come over here to this side, I know I definitely have some scratches here on the door. Let's see if the VSS can take that out. And let's go ahead and get to it. After polishing, I removed the tape, and hopefully you can see the difference. It's a little difficult to see, but as I moved the light down towards the front of the car, you can notice that the left side is significantly hazier than the right side. After using VSS, I follow up with Chemical Guys' Wipeout to remove any polish residue. Here I apply Blacklight glaze using a black Hexlogic pad. After applying Blacklight glaze, I simply wipe it off after 15 minutes. Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic wax is super easy to use. Simply mist the area, spread it out with a foam applicator or microfiber towel, and buff it off. I did have to re-wet some areas because of streaks from the wax drying out too quickly, but then again, the temperature was also over at 100 degrees on this day. Overall, I'm satisfied with the ease of application of this 3-in-1 wax. Alright, here's the end result after washing the car with clean slate and using a light clay bar, and then polishing it with Chemical Guys VSS, and using Blacklight glaze. Then last but not least, finishing it off with Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic wax. Pretty happy with the results so far. We'll see how well the ceramic wax holds up. Let's see if we can make it all the way to the next car wash. I'll do a follow-up video to showcase of how well or poor it did. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll catch you in the next T Takes On.